Can you move pages out of a notebook? This is what Remarkable currently lets you do, and this is version 3.04 I've got. This isn't version 3.2. So that's being beta tested right now with whoever signs up for it. So this is version 3.04. So let's go into a notebook. A notebook is one of the default notebooks that comes with, let me say that a little clearer, sorry. I created this notebook using one of Remarkable's templates. They're PNG files, they're templates. So we go into here. I want to move this page out. I've lost my train of thought, sorry. So I press and hold, whatever that selects my item, and then I say, look, can I move it, please? It's going to let me pick a page here. I can move it anywhere here, or I can move it out. So I can say move out. Where do I want it to go? If I wanted a new notebook, I can pick that. If I want it, let's just say I want to add it into my weekly planner. It's going to let me put it in there. Okay, I don't actually want it in there, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm back here. I'm going to say, let's move it. I'm going to move it out, and then I don't want to put it in any of these. I actually want it on its own. So I'm going to create a new notebook. I'm going to give it a name and select my page option, and look, there it is. So when we go here, there's only one page. When we cancel out of it, you'll see that it's been put here. And when we go back into this notebook, you'll see that it's not there anymore. See, it's gone. That's how you move a page out of a notebook. But again, depending on the version you've got of Remarkable, you may or may not be able to do that. Let me just close that out, sorry. There we go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Please, any support, like or subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. And leave me a comment below.